Have you ever wondered why your diet isn't working despite all your efforts? Imagine this. You've been sticking to your meal plan, hitting the gym, and yet the scale won't budge. What could be going wrong? Hi everyone, welcome back my channel. Today, we're diving into the 7 diet mistakes that might be sabotaging your weight loss efforts and, more importantly, how to fix them. Let's get started. 1. Skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast can seem like an easy way to cut calories, but it often backfires. When you skip breakfast, you're more likely to overeat later in the day. Start your day with a healthy breakfast to keep your metabolism active and cravings at bay. 2. Relying on diet foods. Those diet foods you're relying on might not be as healthy as they seem. Many are packed with hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Instead, opt for whole, unprocessed foods. 3. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration can trick your body into thinking it's hungry. Drinking enough water helps control your appetite and supports your metabolism. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. 4. Eating too fast. Eating too quickly doesn't give your brain time to register that you're full, leading to overeating. Slow down, chew thoroughly, and savor your food to improve digestion and control portion sizes. 5. Ignoring portion sizes. Even healthy foods can cause weight gain if eaten in large quantities. Pay attention to portion sizes. Using smaller plates can help you control how much you eat. 6. Stress eating. Stress can lead to emotional eating, often of unhealthy foods. Find alternative ways to manage stress, like exercise, meditation, or talking to a friend. 7. Lack of consistency. Inconsistent eating habits and exercise routines can derail your progress. Consistency is key. Stick to your meal plan and exercise schedule as closely as possible. There you have it. The 7 diet mistakes that could be sabotaging your weight loss and how to fix them. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more diet tips and share your own experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.